here's how you make peanut butter cookie fudge bars. First of all, here are all the ingredients and special equipment that you'll need to make them. We started by adding the softened butter, crunchy and smooth peanut butter to a large bowl. You could use just smooth peanut butter, but this adds a little extra crunch. We also added the brown sugar and white sugar, then beat everything together with an electric mixer until it was light and fluffy. Next it's time to add 1 egg, a tablespoon of milk, as well as a tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix again until everything is combined, and then you can start adding your flour. It's best to add the flour in 2 batches, mixing in between with a rubber spatula. This will ensure that it all gets fully incorporated into the butter mixture. When all the flour has been added, you will have a thick dough, which you can then transfer to a baking dish lined with parchment paper for easy removal after baking. Firmly press the dough into the pan, making the layer as even as possible. This will now bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. After the cookie base has baked and cooled, it's time to make the fudge. To do this, simply heat sweetened condensed milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Add chocolate chips, then stir until the chocolate has completely melted and is smooth. That's it. Now evenly pour the fudge over your cooled cookie base. You can spread the fudge by slowly tilting the dish in every direction, then gently shaking it while level to even out the top. For a little extra decoration, sprinkle the top with chocolate shavings or sprinkles. This now needs to chill in the fridge for about an hour or until cooled completely before cutting into squares and serving. Subscribe to Dished for more dessert recipes.